Hello, bude Nairobi kaendi chenro mar winjo bura mar thicho oko e apis. Gavana mar county ma Kericho Eric Mutai bende koro dhi nyime gi thuolo masani nyime od bura mar senet ka jogo ma gin MCS e od burano mar county ma Kericho chiwo neno makor ka korgi. Moko kuomgi nyaka sani koro wacho ni gin nok giluto mbulu mar thicho oko e apis. Gavana Eric Mutai ne othicho oko juma mokalo kod MCS 33 ka ni tude kod ketho mopogore opogore manok moting'o koda ka tiyo marach kod omenda jopiny kaachiel kod tiyo marach kod kata dhi ataro kod chike matayo apisi.
And when we were inside, yes, these people, okay. I honor this house.
Okay, just Mr.
I honor
Witness.
This house.
Okay, Mr. Witness, just listen to me. So your position is that you did not vote.
I didn't vote.
Okay, let's move on to the
And
next.
I can even repeat to raise the Bible.
Okay, just answer the question directly, please.
I never vote. And I'm still repeating, I never vote.
So that information, is it correct or wrong?
It is wrong because I was surprised when I hear my name already vote.
So it's not.
That is why I was asking.
It's not correct. Just a minute. It's not correct.
It is not correct.
Okay.
And it is
okay.
There is a member who give my documents to use. To apologize because
okay.
I was not.